Welcome. This tutorial will show you how to use the main page in ExpressThermo Windows 10 application. The main page is the main working screen of ExpressThermo. This is where you can review the data collected by loggers that were just downloaded, and also from data files that were opened. Using this combo, you can switch between the two views, each one showing a list that is presented below. Files are identified by their name, and downloaded loggers are identified by their description, or, if the description is not set, by their serial number. We have made very easy for you to spot threshold violations. If you see a marker like this, it means that there are active alarms for this logger. The selected logger has highlighted colors, letting you know which logger's data is being displayed on the chart. The chart allows you to analyze the data easily and provide several customizations. For example, you can focus only on the temperature or on humidity, as you prefer, or zoom to a specific time interval or even to an area of your choosing by using the scroll wheel of your mouse. If you are using a touch interface, pinch and stretch your fingers to zoom in or out. In addition to the chart, you'll find these three tabs, which give you more detailed information about the logger you've selected and its mission. The first one shows generic information about the logger. The second allows you to see the logger parameterization, along with several log statistics. In ExpressThermo, whenever you see a button like this one, you can use it to copy data to the clipboard. Let's say you need to copy the logger parameters and statistics to be able to use it elsewhere. When you click here, ExpressThermo sends this data to the clipboard and it's available for pasting it on Notepad, for example. Very convenient, isn't it? And the last one holds the log readings in a table format. Know that this data can be exported to either Microsoft Excel or CSV format, according to the corresponding setting in Preferences. There are also several commands available on this page, in the lower zone, that allow you to perform various operations. If you wish to focus the data analysis in a specific time interval, you can filter the log with accuracy in this option. You will see that the chart and the readings fit the chosen interval, and you will have a visual clue, meaning that the data is filtered. To see all the readings again, simply go back to the Filter Log option and clear the active filters. You can program the logger again by maintaining the same programming parameters or setting new ones. See our tutorial on programming a logger for more details. From this page, it is also possible to download and stop the logger manually, in case the automatic option is switched off. To access the mission report, use this command. See our tutorial on report-related operations for more detailed information. Another task that you can carry in this view is saving the log data to a file. To do that, select the logger that you want to save and press the Save Log button. Next, the folder and file selection interface shows up, allowing you to navigate to the folder where you wish to save the file and also name it. Now we are done here, by pressing Save. Whenever you no longer need the data and want to remove it from the list, simply select the logger and remove it. Finally, the plot thermal treatment and compute MKT options refer to the respective add-on modules available through a separate purchase. See the tutorial on each one for more information. This completes the tutorial about the main page. You've learned how to make your way through the loggers and file views, work with the interactive chart, look into the details of the log data, and save log data to a file. Thank you for watching. Please check the ExpressThermo support site or the YouTube channel for more tutorials.